Welcome to Webinar Ninja. I'm Jenny, our Customer Success and Community Manager. Did you know you can create a paid webinar in just seconds? It's simple, but first, let us know what you use Webinar Ninja for. Do you demo a product? Or maybe you use it to host your online course? Let us know in the comments and we just might feature it in an upcoming video. Before we get started, you might be wondering, why even charge for your work to begin with? Well, if you want to earn revenue while earning the trust of your clients as you continue to sell additional products and services, then this is for you. Plus, with Webinar Ninja's all-in-one, easy-to-use platform, it's never been more simple to set up a paid webinar. Let's get started. You'll begin by logging into your Webinar Ninja account and connecting with Stripe. We've chosen Stripe as our go-to payment processor for its reliability and its security. Head to the navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen and click Integrations. If your Stripe account has already been set up, you'll see it listed here, but if not, scroll down and under the section Update Stripe Connect, you'll enter your email as well as your country. From here, click Create Account with this email. Next, you'll see a yellow banner at the top of your screen, prompting you to fill in some additional information to complete your Stripe account. Once that's done, you'll see your account listed under Known Stripe Accounts. You'll click the blue button, Use this account. Okay, now that Stripe has been connected, you can begin to create your paid webinar. Click the blue button, Create New Webinar. Select the type of webinar that you'd like to offer, and then fill in the details. Enter the title, choose the date, time, duration, and cost. Enter the price and click Create Webinar. And that's it. Your paid webinar is created. No, seriously, it's all done. Pricing your webinar can be a little bit tricky. If you're offering a general how-to or an open Q&A, you might place it at a more accessible price point. And if you're offering a masterclass or a deep dive on a specific topic, you might choose to increase your price. All you have to do next is publish it, enter marketing assets, and further customize your webinar. If you've got an existing free webinar that you'd like to change to be paid, simply go to the webinar in question and click on the ellipsis found at the top right corner of that section. From here, you'll edit the initial setup page, click on Paid, enter your price, and click Update Webinar. And now you've got 2 paid webinars available. Granting free access to a paid webinar is a really great feature and something that you've got control over as the host. To do so, simply click the Add Registrant button underneath the title of your webinar. From here, confirm that you've got consent to contact this person, and next you'll fill in the registration form on their behalf. Once your registration form has been complete, you'll click Add Registrants, and from there, they'll receive an email with a unique registration link that will bring them to your webinar for free. Here's how your registration page will appear to your registrants. Upon receiving the page, they'll be prompted to register by clicking your unique, customized call to action button. After doing so, they'll fill in their details of your customized registration form. Next, they'll click Pay Now, where they'll enter their payment details. Once they click Pay and Register, a series of email notifications will be triggered. The first being a registration confirmation. Within that email, it contains all the information they need to attend your webinar. Creating a paid webinar with Webinar Ninja has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Let us know in the comments when you plan to host your next paid webinar and what the topic will be on. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye!